Hi, y'all. Choice here. Thanks again for joining me for another session of Choice Spirit. I'm going to go back into this vibratory thing. I was talking about it before, and somewhere my video stopped short, so I wanted to go back into it. Why it's important to check your vibrational, the frequency, what's happening with you vibrationally as far as your frequency is concerned. Because there's a lot going on. As we all know, there's a shift going on. There's some things going on globally, okay? All over the world. And if we're going to be on the side of enlightenment, we're already enlightened. We just may not be conscious of it or aware of it or bringing our awareness to the fact that we are enlightened already. You know, all is within us. But anyway, let me get back on the frequency thing. If you are unaware that you are attracting all the time, your thinking, your beliefs, the indoctrinated information that's deep within your subconscious mind, as I talked about before, that operates 95% of the time, it's directing and moving you and shifting you and guiding you and directing you. You are doing things based on indoctrinated beliefs or information that has been planted along the way, or situations that have deeply affected and has afflicted you and somehow has you you have put up some type of protection or boundary to protect you, or you have fear issues that are keeping you from exploring beyond your present condition. Okay, now I know that's all over the place, but anyway, those are frequencies. That is a frequency that is being transmitted from within your psyche that you are not privy to. So this information is going out and is all based on what I said before, all those little things that become big things because they actually get in the way of you just living your absolute best life. Those little things are really big things because they get in the way of you living the life that you truly feel to live, or either you gave up feeling anything at all. But anyway, let me not get carried away. When you are listening to things that has you living in a state of fear, when you are listening and engaging in information, no matter how juicy the information may be, if it's information that keeps you in a perpetual state of fear, that interferes with it interferes with you being able to live your life in peace. I'd rather not use the word harmony, but it gets in the way of you being able to really have that best life experience, because the fear is constantly being thrown at you. The idea you have to be afraid of this and you have to be afraid of that, and that really affects you. It really affects you. It goes deep into your subconscious. It goes deep into your psyche. And then when you say we don't know what we're attracting, that information, that is being emitted. And then we're wondering why we're not getting the results we desire from law of attraction. We are electromagnetic beings. This is our natural state, to emit and receive. It's who we are. We can't stop that. So these frequencies that disrupts that is interfering with us actually having our best life. So we're going to keep talking about this until we flip it, because all you have to do is keep doing the other things. Your tonic of love, your words, stay in the spirit of love, send out love, and the more you continue to send out love, it would overshadow all that other stuff.